Get ready for a gripping journey through the political narratives of Zimbabwe, a tale of resilience, resistance, and relentless pursuit of power. This tale is as old as Zimbabwe itself, with ZANU-PF, the ruling party since the country's independence from Britain on the 18th of April, 1980. This party, under the stalwart leadership of Robert Mugabe, had a clear goal from the outset: to rule Zimbabwe forever. The opposition, however, has struggled to grasp this reality, with their internal squabbles and divisions only strengthening ZANU-PF's grip on power. But the political parties are not the only actors in this drama. Their supporters, both from ZANU-PF and the opposition, play a critical role. The unwavering loyalty of ZANU-PF supporters, even in the face of widespread corruption and a crumbling healthcare system, has kept the party afloat. Meanwhile, the opposition supporters remain steadfast in their backing of their leaders, even when change seems elusive. Their faith, undeterred by the apparent failures of their leaders, is an intriguing element of this political landscape. A notable example of this dynamic is the aftermath of the disputed August elections, where incumbent President Emmerson Mnangagwa emerged victorious amid allegations of electoral fraud. Opposition leader Nelson Chamisa claimed to possess the so-called V11 forms, which he said proved that the Citizens' Coalition for Change had won the elections. His claim sparked hope among his supporters, but the forms were never produced. This incident raised questions about Chamisa's credibility, with some speculating that he might be another dictator in the making. However, the opposition did not lose hope. They called for fresh elections to address the alleged illegitimacy in Harare. Nelson Chamisa approached the Southern African Development Community, SADC, on the 6th of September 2023, seeking to facilitate new elections. SADC accepted Chamisa's submissions, citing their own report that expressed concerns about the previous elections in Zimbabwe. However, before any real progress could be made, the opposition supporters in Zimbabwe seemingly dropped their guard. To summarize, the political landscape in Zimbabwe is a complex tapestry of power struggles, unwavering loyalty, and a relentless pursuit of change. The ruling party, ZANU-PF, continues to hold power, bolstered by the unwavering support of its followers. The opposition, despite setbacks and perceived failures, continues its fight for change, backed by supporters who believe in their cause. The future of Zimbabwean politics remains uncertain, with the upcoming elections predicted to be contentious. The role of international bodies like SADC will be crucial in ensuring a fair and democratic process. But ultimately, the fate of Zimbabwe lies in the hands of its people, their leaders, and their unyielding will to shape their country's destiny.